This is the video guide for a vowel I'm going to cover on its own. This is for the vowel U, which we call the monkey sound. Now this is a short vowel, just like a, e, I, o, a, but we're covering it separately and later because it doesn't have the same close association with letters that those other short vowels do. This one has multiple favourite letters. It likes the O and the U sound. In terms of teaching children how to form this, it's relatively easy. Just make a noise like a monkey, so ooh, 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 ooh. And that's normally fine. If you want to get technical about it, you want to make sure that the lips are protruding somewhat, ooh, ooh, ooh. But generally it's not necessary. We just tell them it's a monkey sound, and everything's easy from there. The difficult bit is in conveying its letter associations, but that is not a topic for this video.